What up, Charge Go family? It's Mr. Charge Go himself, man. Y'all see the Charge Go car specifically for the platform. We recently just got a sponsorship. It's from Amazon got us Ambient lighting. We gotta make this thing decked out, man. Only the best for the viewers, guys. Come on, come check this out. Come see what we're missing. This is the before. This is the before, and I'm gonna show y'all the after. JC, take it away.
Alright guys, so we got this ambient lighting kit from Amazon, or more like from China, but it's all good. Our boys in China sponsored us again on this video, so we're gonna do an unboxing. We got this Baznor installation guide. So yeah, that's a kit, is by Baznor. It's about 60 bucks, so it ain't even too bad. But here we got this like pry tool, because we're gonna have to take some stuff apart, but I don't think it's gonna be too bad. Of course, you got like the wiring and some little module thing, I think, so you can connect to your phone. And these would be the lighting strips that we're gonna install around the car. And then we have this like double-sided tape, which I think we're gonna need for the ambient lighting that we're gonna install on the dash. But for the center console, I don't think we're going to need to use this, so it's gonna be pretty dope. So let's get into this install video, see what happens. You see the shorts, man? They match in the
Yeah, it's very fly, very fly. I like the shoes too.
We're sponsored by China in this video. So they're not exactly clear as to which set of lights go on the dash and which set of lights go on the center console, but I'm gonna figure it out. So one of these strips has like a lot of extra line left at the end. I'm pretty sure this one is the one that's gonna go in the center console, but if not, I didn't say anything. So let's get into the car and try to install this joint.
Looks like you don't know what you're doing, Mr. Charge Go. Mrs. Charge Go, sorry.
If we knew what we were doing, it wouldn't be a charge.
No, you came and didn't know what you're doing.
No, you're right. So we got the strip right here. You could see, I'm pretty sure we're just supposed to like shove it in to this like trim. You just want to like push it in, and then it's gonna go like that all the way around.
There you go. There you go.
Really hope we ain't damaging nothing.
Tesla's
build quality is pretty good because I can barely get this in.
Yeah, Tesla got the best build quality. Everyone knows that. Ask anyone. Unless they build cars.
Yeah. So around this edge, it looks to be like pretty smooth sailing. And basically, you guys can see we can get it in all the way to the end. And then it just loops in like that.
Oh!
And then like this will be the hub for the kit. You just gotta shove it in.
Yeah, shove it in.
But you guys can see so far, it looks pretty clean.
Pretty nice. Can't lie. Can't lie to you.
It don't look like a China product. What's up, y'all? So basically the next step would be we have this like this wiring, which is what you need to obviously light up these strips. But one observation I had off the bat was in these corners, because it's just like sitting there without any adhesive, it kind of lifts a little bit when you have to like route it into the center console. And obviously this trim is like disconnected right now, that's why it's a little worse. So we'll see how it comes out at the end. But that's something that's like kind of bothering me, so I'm gonna need to figure something out about that. But in the meantime, we have these connectors, and all you really got to do is shove one thing into another, you know, biology, and then screw it on tight so it don't come out. And pulling out over here. And then same thing with this one. So this one don't really want to go in. That happens sometimes, but you just force your way in.
Yep.
A little dry in there, but it's all good. So then yeah, I screwed it in, and then we could try to light it up.
Light it up. Light it up.
So you're gonna plug it in.
Oh!
It's working.
Oh! Bussin'.
Yeah. So you guys can see it's changing colors right now.
Yo,
it's daytime, so it's like kind of hard to tell. But it's routed all the way around here. And at least we know it's working. So let's get into the install around the dash. All right, y'all, so we had a bit of a problem where this end piece sort of just came apart and went into like 20 different pieces, but we fixed it. Trying to build quality, you know? But basically we gotta route this wiring somehow in a way where we can hide it, but it'll ultimately end up connecting to the LED that we're gonna, or the ambient lighting we're gonna put on the dash. So this piece of trim you could pop out basically, which is what I did. We're just gonna be tucking it under. The wiring is getting tucked under this trim. You gotta lift it a little bit. You're gonna be sweating a little bit too, but
My boy working.
it's all good.
Oh!
I do not think it's broken, so that's good.
It's smooth.
So basically now, I think we could do the same thing on the other side. and then we could basically run the strip of light on the dash, and it should work. If it doesn't, I'm out.
My boy's out of breath.
So just removing this clip over here, because you really want to like tuck the wiring to make it look OEM, you know? So literally you just gotta like pull on it a little bit.
What is OEM?
It just means like from the manufacturer.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you good. So yeah, so basically pull it apart a little bit. We're gonna do the same thing we did on the other side, where you obviously need to figure out how much line you're gonna need, but just tuck the wiring under the trim. It's the same thing. It ain't nothing special, guys. Just gotta use your fingers a little bit.
You see it?
What's up?
You see it? Nah, I had to get the shoes one time.
Yeah, so same situation as last time. We gotta somehow take this piece apart. The top clips are a little harder to get off.
There you go.
That was that.
All right, Mrs. Charge, go update the viewers, man.
Yeah, so we got this double-sided, I wouldn't even say it's 3M, it's some China stuff, because they don't really want to work with us. Can't even get the thing.
It's 3N.
We got our 3N double-sided tape. It works so good that you can't even get the sticker thing off so you could stick it.
No, maybe it's 3L.
Yeah, we're taking
It's
3Ls
L,
right
exactly.
now. So actually the first thing you all want to do is lift this up a little bit and then throw this down. You see that? It comes into this little area.
Right there.
Yeah. That's where we're gonna connect to that connector from earlier. And we're just gonna do this all the way down.
Ooh, yeah, I got the money shot now.
What's up, guys? So we're pretty much in. I'm just trying to make sure the adhesive is all good. And so now we can connect the two. Be really awkward if it wasn't long enough, but I think that's like a perfect fit. When you guys don't measure, that's the type of fitment you get right there. You see that?
Exactly.
No slack.
This would not have happened had you measured.
There you go. All right, and then this is what you shouldn't be doing, but I'm putting it away so I don't have to look at it.
Oh.
We haven't even tested it, but that's how confident we are over here. And if you guys look, the wiring's all tucked. You can see my leg. It looks pretty nice, but
Nice leg.
yeah, it's all tucked away, and you can really just see what's going on in here.
That's very cool.
Now, in theory, we should be able to turn it on and it should work.
Yeah. All right, you guys. It's been a Charge Go takeover. As you can see, you see what the light's doing. You see how we got this thing looking. I went and installed them myself. My own hard work. My fingers are tired, but you know what? It paid off in the end, baby. Come on, show them what we rocking with. Oh yeah, we got the purple on right now. Yes, sir. Laker purple. And that's it. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, you guys.
Girl, just take a little ride with me. Get fly with me. I can hold you down, know you tryna ride with me. I could be around, don't switch sides on me. I'm just tryna moonwalk on the sky, my